Subscribe to Jazee's recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, welcome to Jazee's recipes and this is Jazla Ismat. What I get into your kitchen today is Gulab Jamun. You can find the written recipe link in the description box. Let's begin with the first step, which is making the sugar syrup for the soaking. For this, take a saucepan, add some sugar and water. Place the pan over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add crushed cardamom, rose essence, and 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice and stir continuously till it becomes sticky of one string consistency. Once done, take it off the heat and keep it aside. Let's move to step 2, which is making the dough for Gulab Jamun. For that, take some semolina in a bowl and pour some milk. Then give it a good mix and let it sit for 10 minutes. In a medium bowl, sift together 3 cups of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and some baking soda. Next, add soaked semolina mixture, 3 tablespoons of ghee, 3 tablespoons of melted butter and some yogurt. Then give it a quick mix with spatula and then start to mix with your fingertips to form crumbles. Start adding milk little by little until it all comes together as a dough. Do not ever try to knead dough hard, then just try to gather dough together. The dough should be quite sticky. Grease the hands with little ghee and pinch small portions and roll between your palms to make a ball. Balls should not have cracks, it should be smooth. These Gulab Jamun balls almost double when frying and also increase when soaked in the sugar syrup, so don't make large-sized balls. Heat up the pan with ghee or oil on a medium heat. When the ghee is just medium hot, add the balls. Keep stirring jamuns with ladle so that they get evenly fried. Fry them till brown. Once done, carefully take them out on an absorbent paper. Then add these fried jamuns in the sugar syrup. Keep the jamuns in the syrup for at least 1 to 2 hours or until the jamuns are doubled in their size by absorbing the sugar syrup. Finally, this is done and ready. Do try this at home and let us know how you liked it. And also, do not forget to watch what next Jazee's recipes bring into your kitchen. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Jazee's recipes for recipe notification. Thank you for watching.